Alright, let's make a slip for this coin. Alright, here we go. So, here's what I'm thinking. Just a simple little slip. This is the end of my leather. How about we cut right about here? Okay, we'll use this piece. Try and do the best I can by eye. I think that's okay. And we'll get it close enough to here. Let me see if I can use this piece here. Kind of hard. How about right here? There we go. A little tough. That looks good. Alright, I think that will be alright. Let's see. Alright, I think we'll get some glue and we'll get this party rolling. Alright, let's do this. Just doing everything by eye. If there's a mistake, I will work around it one way or another. Keep this side here nice and even. Alright, so that's looking good. This side is not. I'm going to go ahead and just take off a little here. Alright, how are we looking? My apologies, you can't see this. Just gotta hold it awkwardly here. Alright. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. Come right about here. And actually a little, yeah, a little more down. Yeah, right about there. And then angle it like this. Stop there. Okay. Let's see how we're looking. A little crooked. Oof. Actually, you know what? It doesn't matter because I have to shave this. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, we'll make it work. So that's how I'm looking. Alright, now the fun part. Put a little notch up here. Shout out to the DMKusa strap. If anyone needs a strap, hit me up. You know where I'm at. Alright, let's see if I can get this right. Hard to see without proper light. I'm thinking, what about here? Yeah, we'll go there. Let that dry. Alright, she's completed. I don't want to open this one up. I want to keep it new, but here's an idea of how it looks with a coin in it. Having a hard time getting that coin in here.